Alright YouTube, here's the latest project to come out of the LSD Skunk Works. Those are two of my old, well, you saw them in the old video, it's the same ones, but I actually built the box for them. Like nice purple and black. And it's tuned to 95 hertz. It's going in the back of my old man's, what is it, Ford Ranger. It's the single cab, small one, whatever the fuck you call it. But anyways, I was tired of the way his shit sounded. All he had was two 6x9s in the doors, and they're not all that great, so I figure I'll give him a little free upgrade. So let's listen to this. It's gonna be I Wanna Rock by Twisted Sister.
I wanna rock!
Of course, it's nice Ravens purple, although I noticed through the camera it actually looks kind of pink. Oh well. It's got little ravens to it, so obviously old man's gonna love it. You guys like it?